Anytime you can help them do anything faster or more efficiently or better, given the number of things that we want those users to do, that's the story, and that's probably what I'm the most proud of.
It's easy to use, it's very intuitive. The amount of work on my team on supporting it is very easy. I think we have a good partner, we got a good support staff.
Even though Spring offers out-of-the-box solutions, we really strive to make sure that our customers get exactly what they want.
We knew that there was going to be some customization that had to be done to meet our business needs, but to the extent that we could, we wanted to utilize as much out-of-the-box functionality as we could.
Basically, at Coke United, we don't change. We do the same thing we've always done, and we don't like to change. So when we brought Spring in, it was a lot easier than we thought it was going to be.
We were really able to move fast because of the shortened training curriculum, because of the easy way that the application was deployed, because we're on consumer grade devices so we can get them very quickly.
A lot smaller, a lot faster. We're getting out of the clunkiness of having to tote around a big, heavy, tough book now. Now we're just down to a small little tablet. Everybody likes a tablet. They think it's cool.
The application performs far faster than the previous application. Moving from one screen to another for a user, it pops. The user interface, it's a native application, but it kind of has that HTML5 feel. It's very slick. There's a pride factor as well for the field users to have an updated application that looks like the apps that they're used to living and breathing in their day-to-day life.
We've spent a lot of time shadowing our actual end users in the field and really getting to know how they operate on a day-to-day basis, what are the challenges that they face as they go through their day-to-day activities.
It's an application that is far less intimidating and requires far less training than some of the applications that we've done in the past because it's intuitive. It makes sense, it's clean, it's crisp. Everything that they need to see or know is right there in that one screen. You don't have to go to this tab for this sales aid or that tab for that sales aid or drill into this thing to see this. It's really a one-stop shop for that outlet.
Well, one thing that Spring has given us is the speed of the application when you're inside dealing with a customer. We're seeing, savings of keying orders, around 9 minutes per an outlet savings. Well, that adds up over a lot. But we're able to, with that reduction in speed, we're able to turn our salespeople into more of a sales person instead of just an order generator. And we're able to track and see if our users are hitting their time stops, how much time they're actually spending in the accounts, where they're taking the orders at, if they're at home or if they're at the accounts. We're able to see a lot of this stuff.
Our solution gives people the insights that they need to be more strategic and make better decisions. It also helps them to manage their teams more effectively.
It goes back to data. We're learning so much from our data and from our business that we never knew before. We've always had that ability, but now with Spring, having the data at our fingertips is a lot easier to get to some of that data.
Our background syncing is really unique compared to other vendors. Typically what you see when an application starts to sync is that the user experience stops or is disrupted, and it really causes time delays for the end user. We developed our background syncing so it happens invisibly.
The user doesn't have to do anything. It just happens in the background. We take an order, we finalize the order, in the background without the user doing anything, the device automatically syncs, sends the order into our ERP system. Having a company like Spring that's a global company we're able to learn from a lot of different people instead of just Coke bottlers. We have the ability to learn from other CPG customers and get some of their best experiences and their best learnings and key learnings, and we get to take advantage of some of that stuff.
Right now, we generate orders and we do some selling. And a good bit of that selling is based off of good customer service and relationships. But if we can combine that through this application with fact-based selling, with brand benefits and the benefits to the customers and how we're driving their revenue and driving their margin. You know, if you combine that with what we do really well already, that's really for me where we become a dangerous field selling organization. So that's the future.